I turned one ordinary image into a complete AI presenter with a natural voice, professional background, and realistic movement, all without using a camera, microphone, or traditional recording setup. My first attempts looked convincing at a glance, but the face kept changing, the voice sounded artificial, and the body movement became unnatural between different generated clips. In this video, I'll show you the complete process, from uploading an image and creating the character to choosing a voice and generating the final talking video. First, open Google Chrome, search for Google Flow, and click the official result at the top of the page. Next, click Create with Google Flow, then select Try Omni. Flow will automatically create a new project and open the workspace for you. Next, click the plus icon and upload your original selfie, along with the studio background image you want to use. After uploading both images, drag and drop your selfie and background into the project, then paste the prompt I've provided in the video description. Use these settings and generate the image. After a short processing time, your professional-looking result will be ready. To create consistent videos, go to the Character section, click Add from Project, select the image you generated, and then click Add to Project. After a short loading time, your character will appear. You can rename it and add character information. I use ChatGPT to write mine, and you can do the same. Next, click Select Voice and choose the option that best suits your character. I chose this one. You can customize it using a prompt, which I've included in the description. Preview the voice.
Hi there. We're introducing a new feature where I can read this aloud in a natural, human-like voice.
Then click Save New Voice. It will appear in the side panel. Select Add to Character, click Done, and your character is ready. To generate consistent videos, drag your character into Ingredients, paste the dialogue you want it to say, apply these video settings, and click Generate. Each video costs 15 credits. After a short wait, your video will be ready. Let me show you the result. I started with one ordinary image and turned it into a complete AI presenter with a realistic voice, professional background, and natural movement. Now, let me show you exactly how I did it. You can download it using the option in the top right corner. As you've seen, we created a consistent AI video from a single image without using a camera, microphone, or physical studio setup. I hope you found this video helpful. If anything was unclear, leave your question in the comments, and I'll be happy to help.